Hey, Brian at Voiceopia here. We want to talk a little bit about transferring calls. It's probably the most common thing you do other than checking voicemail and just placing or receiving a call. With Voiceopia phones, you have two types of transfers: blind transfers and attended transfers. What's the difference? A blind transfer is when you are simply dumping a call from one phone to another. Yes, it's that hold please, and you press the button and the call goes over regardless of if the person is there or if they're able to take a call. You're literally just dumping the call to the recipient. An attended transfer is what I like to call the heads up transfer, where you're going to place the caller on hold, call your other party, and see if they answer first, and maybe give them a brief on what the call's about before you send it to them. Your mileage may vary on which method your office prefers, and you may have people who prefer a certain way no matter what, different than everyone else. That's okay. The beauty of it is our phones can do both, and it's really easy to do. Finally, we have call parking. Now, call parking is similar to transferring, but it's a little bit different, and it's this. When you transfer a call, you are transferring from one phone to another phone. It is a one-way deal. When you park a call, you're putting the call in a parking spot, and that call can be retrieved from any phone on your phone system at any location at any time. We usually set this to about 3 or 4 minutes. So if you're a receptionist or you're a person who gets a call and you know that this person needs to speak to one of your team members, but you don't know if they're in their office or not, they may be back in the warehouse, they may be upstairs on the second floor. Parking allows you to put that call in a parking spot and then announce via paging or knocking on the next door and saying, hey, there's a caller, they're parked on 71 or 72, and then the recipient can pick that call up from anywhere. For those of you that come from older phone systems, this is what you used to call putting a call on hold. You know, put it on hold and Bob, you have a call on line 2, Bob line 2 kind of thing. This is what that is. I find it to be a lot more flexible and a lot more customer service friendly than simply transferring a call to a phone that may not be available to take it, or they're not even there. Parking's a little bit more friendly to that. If you park a call and nobody takes it, it comes back to the person that parked it. So your caller will not land in limbo or get sent to nowhere and never get picked up. I hope this helps you understand transferring and parking. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at 423-509-8000. You can call us, text us, or you can email us at support@voiceopia.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.